My wife got me a PS2 Slim for Christmas, and I'm glad I got it, and I'm glad that she got it for me. But it's been scratching my games, unfortunately. There is a way to fix this without disassembling it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. FYI, the piece that actually scratches the games is the ribbon. So over time, the glue weakens and the ribbon becomes loose. So it actually sticks up. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a few minutes. The only PS2 Slim model that doesn't scratch the games is the 79001 model. So I'll try to get that version. Currently, these are the games I've been playing. War of the Monsters I had originally, and this was scratched up, as you can see. As the game spins, it actually comes in contact with the ribbon, and you get these circled scratches. And there's actually a kit someone is selling on Etsy to prevent these scratches, and you would have to obviously disassemble the whole thing. That's how it's laid out, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm doing is using clear tape, and I am taping down the ribbon, as you can see there. Try to make it a little bit more stiff so I can crease it a little bit and see how it folds. It is not sticking up as much as before. But before the ribbon was sticking way up, and this is a little bit pushed forward and is pushed in right now. So as the disc spins, it shouldn't come in contact with the game anymore. So I'm going to put this game right here, and obviously it doesn't have any scratches. So let this play. Here we go, and let's play.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Madden NFL 2000.
Man, the nostalgia is hitting me right now. I used to play this game with my brother, and we used to be competitive. Those were the days.
Someone else to make the play. Or just plow over some lineman to get a sack. I'll tell you, when you talk about a defensive lineman, you're talking about... Ball head. Is that correct? The Rams ball head, and they won the call. They choose to kick.
Both teams have taken the field, and let's see what happens now as we're ready for the kickoff. Wilkins in to kick this one off. He kicks it off. Sutherland will bring this one upfield. The 49ers take over on offense at the 19-yard line. First and 10.
Oh, almost got picked.
Nickelback in this time. Gets the pass off.
Oh yeah.
It's caught. Perry makes the stop at the 46.
Alright, that's it for now. Let's go check out the status of the disc. And let's hope there are no more scratches. I haven't been hearing any scratching noises, so that's a good sign. Alright, cool. Well, there you go. This tape method is for those people that don't want to disassemble it, and this is the easy way out. Well, of course, you can go ahead and buy a ribbon, but you would have to disassemble it and replace it, and hopefully that fixes the issue permanently. This one I'm not too sure. I have to check it from time to time, but so far so good.